Hello everyone, we are Team Ignite Desire and we have cloned an e-commerce website which is overstock.com. It is an American website. From there you can buy furniture, decor, toys, gifts and many more things. We are four team members. Let me introduce to my team members: Rohan Verma as a front-end and DOM developer, Nitesh Kumar Bagel as a front-end and API developer, Abhishek Kumar Mishra as a front-end and database developer, and me as a front-end and DOM developer. Here you can see our problem statement was CSS should be exact, responsive pages and end-to-end flow of features and creating RESTful API. For resolving these problems, we have used we had used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MongoDB, Express.js, and Node.js. You can see the flow of the website in this slide. In this slide, you can see how our website looks in desktop view and mobile view. Now we are at a landing page of our website. Now I will call to Nitesh Kumar Bagel. He will discuss all the things about API and responsiveness and all about our website.
I am Nitesh Kumar Bagel and I am here to introduce Homepage. We make our page responsive. If you hover the furniture, rug, and decor, then you can see their respective category drop down. We also make a slider using grid and flags for designing part. I will also create the RESTful API through MongoDB and Express.js. Now we can go to furniture page. We made this page fully dynamic through API. Here you can see the different type of category of furniture. I will I will let you to go dining room and bar furniture. Now I am inviting Rohan. He will continue our presentation.
Hello everyone, I am Rohan Verma and now I am going to explain how you can purchase products through our website. So in this product page, you can sort products high to low and low to high. So if you want to purchase any kind of product, you just have to select that product, and after selecting that product, you can watch that product in our selected product page. So this is our selected product page, and here you can watch multiple pics of your product, and also you can select quantity of your product. So here you can also see details and spaces of your product, Q&A, and customer reviews, and also tips and inspiration of the product. So after that, if you want to purchase that product, you have to just click add to cart. So this is our cart page. Here you can see price of that product and quantity of that product. Here you can also increase or decrease your quantity of product. So after that, you just have to check out that product. So now I am going to invite Abhishek for continuing our presentation.
Thank you, Rohan, for inviting me. Here, I have created the sign up and sign in page. I have used the CSS, HTML, and JavaScript and the DOM manipulation for creating sign up and sign in page. The email address should be unique. Creating password should contain the uppercase, lowercase, number, and the special character, which led to the create account. And the same create account will lead to the same email address and the password led to the sign payment page. Sign up. You can enter the email address, first name, last name, company, tax, address line to country, city, state, zip code, and the zip code and the phone number. And for the payment, I have used the card type in BSA and the card holder and CCV. It led to the successful. You can place the order. You can here the customer can give their feedback also, and it will lead to the for the feedback option. Now you can stop more for the page. Now I will like to invite Rahul for the conclusion part.
Thank you, Abhishek. We learned a lot in this project week, and for future plans for this website is to deploy on GitHub and web as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Team Ignited Desire.